I'm Joe Lorino. I'm the Vice President for Facilities Management, responsible for design, construction, and environmental services, as well as the off-sites and properties. My role in the New Valley Hospital is in the design, the permitting, and the construction, activation, and then finally the move-in of the entire hospital from the Ridgewood campus to Paramus. We're in Fair Lawn, New Jersey right now in a warehouse that Valley has leased. And the primary purpose of this warehouse is for us to prefabricate building mechanical systems for the New Valley Hospital. Some of these mechanical systems will house hot water, domestic cold water, heating, cooling loops, as well as medical gases like oxygen, medical air, and medical vacuum. They're constructed, pressure tested with nitrogen gas to ensure that they do not leak, and then insulated, wrapped up, and then will be transported to the new hospital. The advantages of doing a prefabrication system is that, number one, we get to build these systems way before the hospital is even ready. It's a safer way to do this. No ladders are required. People get to work 4 feet off the ground rather than in ceilings. The quality's up, the waste goes down, which gives us more points for our green building certification. The costs have skyrocketed for materials, copper, stainless steel, iron, lumber. As a result of this prefabrication, we were able to purchase well in advance, and we have seen no additional costs. I've been involved with many projects, but I can tell you this is by far my favorite project. It's been a very collaborative process, and it makes me very happy that this is going to be a grade A top hospital and a great healing environment for our patients of the future.